Hey friends, it's Holly. Welcome back to Living It Country and welcome to our 25 days of Christmas. Today we have Cotton Blue Cottage back for Christmas. I always adore sharing her home, and she actually sells her house plans if you guys are interested. So go follow her on Instagram and you guys can go to her link in bio where she actually sells them. I adore her house so much. And so without further ado, let's welcome her here today and tour her beautiful modern farmhouse home for Christmas.
Welcome to Christmas 2024 at Cotton Blue Cottage. Our porch is hands down our favorite part of the house. From the front porch to the side porch, it's just the best. I added garland and touches of classic red ribbon this year to bring it to life this season. One thing I love to do to make garland appear more full is to double each strand and add in rows of ribbon. In the past years, I've also incorporated real elements such as pine cones and magnolia leaves. I also added this garland with lots of red berries to our front door, and I just did a swag over one side of the door this year. And then I tied red sashes onto all the wreaths. Inside of our home and along our staircase, I have added a garland with lights, more classic Christmas colors with green and gold bows, and then blueberry picks, which is what our little town is known for. Each one of our family members has a needlepoint Santa-themed stocking this year. These are stockings that I will keep forever, and then at some point hopefully have someone needlepoint all of our names at the top of each stocking. On the console table in our living room, I have added this sweet lucite nativity scene. This is a new piece I've added to our Christmas collection this year. And it would also be really pretty if you added LED lights behind it, which is what I plan to do soon. Next, this corner of my kitchen is one of my favorite spaces within our home. Whether we are hosting an event or celebrating different seasons, it's the perfect place to add unique touches. For Christmas this year, I chose to use soft velvet ribbon with dried citrus. The white poinsettias and gold accents keep it traditional, and the blue velvet ribbon and dried citrus add just a fun pop of nostalgia. Throughout the kitchen, I stuck with dried citrus and blue velvet ribbon on wreaths, and this blue velvet ribbon is just the sweetest color blue, and so it makes my heart happy to see it each day. In the living room, we have our live tree. Just like when decorating homes, Christmas is no different to me. You will never be able to replace the real greenery in your home. It adds such depth and dimension to a space with little to no effort. On our tree, I always stick to traditional red and white, like you see here, with cranberries and then white poinsettias. I also let my girls select a new Christopher Radko ornament every year, and whenever they have their own tree, they'll take these to their new home. At the top of our stairs before heading into our girls' room, we have our fun tree. The fun tree is a white tree with colored lights and handmade ornaments from my girls in the years past. Underneath the tree is the village for my granny, so it holds a special place in my heart and reminds me of many happy Christmases at her house. This space is their favorite hangout spot, especially during the Christmas season. While I love a fancy and traditional tree with lots of beautiful decor, you just can't beat the feeling of handmade ornaments and colored lights. Evenings at our home are so pretty to me during the Christmas season. There's lots of lights, especially along the garland, and our porch is lit up all the way around. Thank you so much for joining the Christmas tour of Cotton Blue Cottage this year. Please follow along on Instagram and check out our website to shop some of my favorite decor that you've seen here. Merry Christmas!
I hope you absolutely adored Cotton Blue Cottage and her home tour today. Let me know your favorite part in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye, friends.